Yeah. It is the number of protons in an atom. So atomic number.
Yeah.
It is the number of protons in an atom. And
Yeah.
if an atom is there, so I would say that the atom is electrically
Charged.
neutral.
Or neutral. Neutral.
So if an atom has 10 protons, so it should also have 10 electrons.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Now
Yeah.
understand. So when I'm writing down this order, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Yes or no? So,
potassium. Yeah.
So hydrogen is coming at number 1. So the atomic number of hydrogen would be 1. Right? Helium is at number 2. So the atomic number of helium is 2. That means if I ask you to write down the number of protons, so hydrogen has 1 proton.
Yeah.
Helium has 2 protons.
Yeah.
Lithium has 3 protons. Beryllium has atomic number 4, so it has 4 protons. Boron has 5, so it has 5 protons.
Yeah.
Are you understanding? So if it has these many protons, so what do you think? How many electrons would hydrogen have? I'm talking about the atom of hydrogen. So I would say it's an atom. So I would say it is electrically neutral. And how would an atom be electrically neutral? If
they have the same number of protons as electrons.
Yes. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So now very quickly, if I know, so helium has 2 protons, so it would have 2 electrons also. So whatever number, see carbon comes at number 6. So I would say the atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. Atomic number of neon is 10. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. Atomic number of aluminium is 13. Atomic number of silicon is 14. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Atomic number of sulfur is 16. Atomic number of fluorine is 17. Atomic number of argon is 18. Atomic number of potassium is 19. And atomic number of calcium is 20. Okay. So if atomic number is 6, that means it has 6 protons. And since it is an atom, so 6 protons would be equal to 6 electrons. 7 protons, that would mean 7 protons. And that would also mean 7 electrons. Do you understand? 3 protons, 3 electrons. Because for an atom to be electrically neutral, the number of electrons must be equal to number of protons. So 4 protons must be equal to 4 electrons. 5 protons must be equal to 5 electrons. 8 protons must be equal to 8 electrons. 9 protons must be equal to 9 electrons. 10 protons must be equal to 10 electrons. I hope you are understanding the concept. Na, sodium. Sodium is 11 protons would mean 11 electrons also. 12 protons would mean 12 electrons also. 13 protons would mean 13 electrons also. 14 protons would mean 14 electrons also. I hope you're understanding. So I'm very quickly writing it down, right? So whatever is the atomic number, you know it is the number of protons. Where do these protons reside, others? Where do these protons reside in an atom?
These protons reside in the nucleus.
In the nucleus. And where do these electrons reside?
Like outside the nucleus.
Outside the nucleus. Very good. Do you understand? Okay. Now just see. So we have this. Yes or no? So understand what is happening now. So today we have to learn electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Others, just tell me one thing. I am really surprised. Just a basic talk, okay? One-to-one friend talk.
Yeah.
Just wanted to know, like, what kind of teachers do you have in UK? Do you have teachers who can come for home tuitions in UK?
Sorry?
Does any one of your friends would come for home tuitions? Would take home tuitions from any other teacher from UK itself? Who stays in UK? And is there any concept of being a home tutor in UK itself?
No,
No.
there isn't.
So no, none of your friends takes tuition. They all take tuitions online, if at all they take.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
So
only online.
Only online. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know if any one of your friends who takes tuitions online, do they discuss it openly?
No, I don't even think they take tuitions. They don't.
Okay.
They barely even care about studying. So
really?
Yeah.
So what do they do without studying?
I don't know. They just like, I don't know, play around. That's all. They don't really care about studying. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, that's good if you're worried about studies and you really want to score well and understand concepts. But my point is that I just really sometimes wonder, what it is like to be a teacher in UK. Like, see, I'm in India, right? I don't know how many times you have been in India, but for me, I think people in UK, they charge. How do they charge? I don't know, but do people have become? Because I knew one teacher, he was a home tutor in UK.
Yeah.
I don't know which city. So I just wanted to know the trend. Anyway, so people generally don't prefer home tuitions there. That's according to you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now just see. So today we're going to learn electronic configuration.
I've heard of this somewhere. Like, in my mind, I was thinking like you're going to say configuration right after electronic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is K shell. So basically, you have fair idea, no? You must have heard it somewhere. Okay. So KLMN. There are 4 shells, right? KLMN. Got it?
Yeah.
So understand. So when we're talking about KLMN shells, you just see one very important thing. Okay. See, we know that hydrogen has one atom, one electron. So if I draw the atom of hydrogen, in the last class, yesterday's class, we did that this K shell can hold only 2 electrons. So if this K shell has a maximum capacity of 2 electrons, so definitely it can hold 1 electron, yes or no? So what I would do? I would simply write down 1 here, which shows that where is this electron? 1 electron residing. This 1 electron is residing in the K shell of hydrogen atom. Okay. Now let us suppose, and what is the status of the hydrogen atom? That in the nucleus there is 1 proton. You can see this here, and there is 1 electron in the K shell. So what do you mean by electronic configuration? You're trying to tell that how many electrons are there in each specific shell. Okay? Or you can say how the electrons are distributed around the shells. Like, for example, if I'm talking about helium, how would things work? Acha, tell me one more thing. There is one specific school at your place, right? That after 5th grade, you get to a very good school. Is that so? You have to clear an exam after 5th grade. What is that? 11 plus exam.
It's called grammar school.
Yeah, grammar school. So, which school are you in?
Right now?
Yeah.
It's called Cox Green School. So it's with COX. No. It's just secondary school.
Okay. Secondary till 10th.
No, it goes till 12th.
12th grade.
No, sorry, not 12th, 13th. It goes all the way.
Oh, 13th. So you basically have the first liberal year also there.
Sorry?
The 13th year is a liberal year, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do in that liberal year?
I don't really understand what.
What do you do? What do you study in that liberal year? I think liberal year is a year where you can just choose any subject just to have fun and just decide if you have interest in that subject or not, right? Hello? You got disconnected, others, I think. There's some problem with the network. Hello.